guys, this video I will be featuring to you the unboxing of my very own portable what do you call this, nebulizer. So my compressor nebulizer guidebook, so it comes with a manual. It says here, please read this guidebook carefully before opening this unit. Wow, it sounds beautiful. Wow, maganda yung unit niya. I would be checking if this unit is functioning, manually functioning. So I'll be back. I would be checking if it is functioning well. So nandito na yung kit niya. It comes with the, what do you call this, the mouthpiece kit, the machine, and saka nilagay ko na rin sa socket. I will try it if it's working. It's working. So far so good, maganda naman yung product, no? So it says here Elite Tokyo Japan Compressor Nebulizer. So ginagamit ko ito tuwing inaatake ako ng aking asthma. So it comes with a 2-year warranty. So I guess that's it. So thank you for watching my video for unboxing the Elite Tokyo Japan Compressor Nebulizer. Goodbye guys, thank you.